Hummus, light, fresh, and super easy to make. Will make your lunch dinner's snack quick and fast. Instead of the original parsley and paprika, I use basil and cayenne pepper for a spicy and more intense flavor. If you want to know how I did this recipe, just keep watching. In a blender, I add 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. I add the juice of half a lemon. Then I add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 garlic clove, a 1/4 cup of tahini sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 7 tablespoons of cold water. I close the lid of my blender. I shake it so all the ingredients are combined together, and I blend until I obtain a smooth spread. To garnish, I'm gonna add 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 basil leaf that I broke with my hands and I spread it all over. And as a final touch, I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And this was my hummus recipe. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.